Showstopper. It's choreographed by Blevins and Thompson Szymanski. It is a 32-count, 4-wall intermediate level line dance with a tag on wall 7 after 16 counts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about where and what that tag is, and then we're going to go around and dance 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice how that tag flows into the next wall, so you can hopefully dance this classic on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn Showstopper. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do syncopated side rock crosses to the right and the left. So we're going to quickly rock our right foot to the right side using the ball of your right foot. You're going to push it to the right side, recover onto your left, and cross your right over your left. We're now going to do the same thing to the left. We're going to push the ball of our left foot to the left side, recover onto our right, and cross our left over our right. We're now going to do a big step to the right, and you're going to drag your left toe into your right. We're going to step back with our left foot, and you're going to sweep your right from front to back. We're now going to cross our right foot behind our left, step your left foot to the left side, and we're going to do a crossing shuffle right over left, cross right over left, left side, right over left. So let's try that with some counts. Pressing the right foot to the right side, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Let's try it quicker because it is a peppy dance. We're pressing to the side, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. Section 2. We're going to make a quarter turn over our left shoulder, stepping forward with our left foot to face 9 o'clock. You're going to make another quarter turn over your left shoulder, stepping back with your right foot, slightly back to face 6 o'clock. You're now going to do a coaster step with your left, coaster step. We're now going to step forward with our right foot, and this is going to slightly be in a diagonal. You're going to use this as momentum. We're going to make a half turn over our right shoulder on the ball of our right foot. You're going to turn that half turn over your right shoulder and then step back with your left foot. You're going to use this step back with your left to make sure that you're completely squared up to 12 o'clock. You're going to step your right foot to the side and cross your left over your right. You'll be facing 12 o'clock with your weight on your left foot. So let's try it with some counts. We would have just done our crossing shuffle. You're doing that quarter forward. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. When you're doing that half in that quarter, a lot of times when you're dancing it socially, people will over rotate this coaster step so they're more facing 4:30 instead of 6 to allow for a more fluid moment. And when they make that turn, they're using all of their steps to complete that half turn. So as long as when you're stepping to the side, that's allowing you to be facing 12 o'clock and crossing your left over your right, you'll be facing exactly 12 o'clock. Section 3, we're going to do hip pushes. We're going to take our right toe, we're going to touch it to the right forward diagonal, slightly angling your body to the left, and you're going to push that hip forward, push it forward and recover. You're now going to do the same thing with your left. So you're going to touch that left toe, push and recover. Same thing with the right. You're going to push and recover, and then one more with the left, push and recover. When you do that, you want your weight on your left foot. So what you're doing is kind of doing like more like knee rolls than like steps. So I want you to think you're slightly touching it forward, roll, step, roll, step, roll, step, roll, step. It's mostly in place. So you don't want to travel forward on that section. From here, we're going to do syncopated cross back, back. So we're going to cross our right over our left, step our left foot back, step our right foot back. Cross your left over your right, step your right foot back, step your left foot back. You're going to slightly be angled to the left when you end that section. So let's try it with some counts. We were crossed over. You're doing those hips. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Section 4 in our final section of the dance, we're going to do a jazz box in place. So we're going to cross that right over our left, step your left foot back, step your right foot to the side, and then step your left foot slightly forward. We're going to step forward with our right, and we're going to do a quarter hip grind. So from left to right, you're going to bring your hips around, switching your weight to your right foot, and then recovering onto that left to face 9 o'clock. We're now going to do a half. So we're going to step forward with our right foot. You're going to do a half hip grind to face 3 o'clock over that left shoulder, coming around and putting your weight onto your left foot to face 3 o'clock, and then you will start the dance all over again. So when you end that hip grind, it's going to kind of feel like your legs are slightly twisted and you're going to press to the side. So let's try that with some counts. Jazz box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that right foot is free to do that side rock to the side. So now let's face the front. We're going to do a 1 time through with steps and 1 time through with counts. Weights on that left foot, you're quickly pressing your right foot to the right side. Press, recover, cross, press, recover, cross, side, drag, back, sweep, behind side, crossing shuffle, quarter forward, quarter back in your coaster step, forward half, pivot, back, side, cross. Now your hips, right, left, cross, back, back, cross, back, back. Jazz box with a step forward. Now your quarter hip grind and your half hip grind. And you'll be facing 3 o'clock with your weight on your left foot, ready to start your side rocks all over again. Let's try it with some counts. Weights on that left foot. You're pressing that right toe to the right side. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. I would say the trickiest part of the dance is section 1, mostly because of the speed. So now let's talk about the tag. The tag is going to happen 1 time and 1 time only. It's going to be on wall 7 after 16 counts. So we will be facing the back wall. We're going to dance up to that 16 counts, and then we'll talk about the tag. So your weight will be on your left foot. You're doing your side rock crosses by pressing that right toe to the right side. Rock, recover, cross, side, drag, back, sweep, behind side, crossing shuffle, quarter forward, quarter back, coaster, step, step, half, pivot, back, side, cross. Right here, this is 16 counts. We are going to do a very slow pivot. So what I want you to do is you're going to step forward with your right foot and you're going to lean into that step. So your weight's going to be on your right foot. We're going to roll our hips around, doing a very slow pivot. We're going to end up making a half turn, but I want you to think you're doing a 4/8 pivot. So you're going to be ending at that 130 diagonal, and then you're going to put your weight onto your left foot, making that 1/8 of a turn to square you up to 12 o'clock. So we're here, you're rolling those hips around, really leaning into it, going nice and slow around, and then putting yourself quickly onto your left foot, and then you will start the dance all over again. So the counts for it are 1, 2, 3, 4, rock, and then you would keep doing the dance all over again. Some people like to really do their hips around and really stick it out and then quickly putting their weight onto their left foot. You can have some styling into that section because it's nice and slow and funky, so you can add some of your own stuff into it and make it a lot of fun. So now we're going to go all the way around. We're going to do 8 walls of the dance so that you can practice that tag into the next wall. On the front and back walls, I'm going to do steps. Side walls, we're going to use our counts. Weight is on your left foot. We're quickly pressing our right toe to the right side. So it's rock, recover, cross, side, drag, back, sweep, behind side, crossing shuffle, quarter forward, quarter back, coaster, step, step, half, back, side, cross, hip, right, left, cross, back, back, jazz box with a step forward. Now your step, quarter hip roll, step, half hip roll, side rock, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side rock, cross, side, drag, back, sweep, behind side, crossing shuffle, quarter forward, quarter back with your coaster, step, step, half, back, side, cross, hips, right, left, cross, back, back, jazz box with a step forward. Now your quarter hip grind, half hip grind, side rock, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Side rock, cross, side, drag, back, sweep, behind side, crossing shuffle, quarter forward, quarter back with your coaster, step, step, half, back, side, cross, hips, right, left, cross, back, back, jazz box. Now your quarter hip grind and your half hip grind, side rock, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6 and 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to do 16 counts and add on our tag. Side rock, cross, side, drag, back, sweep, behind side, crossing shuffle, quarter forward, quarter back, coaster, step, step, half, back, side, cross, add your tag, step, slow, turn, quickly put your weight onto your left, start the dance all over again, side rock, cross, side, sweep, behind side, crossing shuffle, quarter, coaster, step, step, half, back, side, cross, hips, right, left, cross, back, back, jazz box, and your quarter hip grind and your half hip grind. And that is the whole dance. So now, on the last wall, you will be doing your hip grinds, and all you're going to do is make sure that you finish turning to the front. So you would be doing your quarter and your half, and all you're going to do is make that turn go even farther to face the front to end the dance. I hope this helps you learn Showstopper. If you have any questions, let me know. This dance is mostly about adding a little bit of extra style in. So on that half turn, feel free to use all those steps to allow you to make that half turn. So as long as you're facing 12 o'clock, when you cross your left over your right, you are doing the right dance. I hope to dance this on a dance floor with you soon. Thanks for joining me. Bye, guys.